Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott new rear shock for the Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class C219 and E-Class W211 with ADS. Without formatting, this video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth and safe installation process for your vehicle's suspension system. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight. Raise the vehicle and remove the applicable rear wheel and the wheel well liner. Now use the DASTAR system to electronically deflate the rear air spring. Next, disconnect the top two electrical connectors and unroute the wires. Loosen and remove the strut rod bolt and nut. Next, loosen, but do not remove the air spring's bottom mount bolt and nut. Now loosen and remove the bottom mount bolt and nut from the damper and remove the applicable trunk liner. In the trunk, loosen and remove the top damper nut. Make sure to save the washer and rubber bushing for reuse. Compress the damper and remove the damper from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. First, remove the top nut from the damper, but do not discard it. Now install the damper into the vehicle. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Next, reinstall the previously removed bushing and washer onto the top of the damper tenon. Reinstall the provided top nut onto the damper. Continue by reinstalling the damper's bottom mount bolt and nut. Now tighten the air spring's bottom mount bolt to manufacturer's specifications. Reinstall the strut rod bolt and nut. Reroute the electrical connector wires back through, fastening them into their respective clips. Now it's time to reinstall the two electrical connectors into the vehicle. Fasten the electrical wires into place along the wiring guide. Reinstall the wheel well and trunk liners. Then reinstall the wheel. You can now lower the vehicle and the installation is complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the Mercedes-Benz rear shock with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.